If you've been listening to any of these advices, you're probably the reason why your channel haven't been growing at all. Number 1, they tell you uploading every day means you are consistent. That's wrong. You're just going to get so much low quality junk videos in your channel unnecessarily. Quality beats quantity. They tell you post every day until your soul evacuates your body. Number 2, more videos automatically means more growth. The only way more videos can mean more growth is if you're flooding your channel with quality content. But if it's quantity and not quality, that's a fail. Number 3, if big creators are doing it, you should copy it. Big creators can upload my first vlog and make 5 million views. But if you do that, probably your mom will watch it. I don't know. The main thing is replicating that won't repeat the same success they got. The best thing you can do is study their videos, study their hooks, understand the techniques they use and replicate it in your video. That way you can be able to replicate their success while being original. The fourth lie is chase every trend for viral growth. Chasing trend is not the best way to go about it unless you are going for trends that are meant for your channel. That means your niche, specifically for your niche. Be specific with what your audience wants. Number 5, search engine optimization is an instant key to success for your channel. Yes, it pushes your video out there for the viewer to see, but it's not the holy grail that you're looking for. At the end of the day, what matters the most, did your viewers enjoy your content? That's what YouTube looks at the end of the day. It's never the key to a successful video, except it looks like this. Number 6, tags are critical to ranking your videos. Oh sure, yeah, yet you get 0 views. There are a lot of videos ranking out there and they do not have a single tag. Quality over quantity. Bring out a quality video. You do not need tags to rank. Rather than focus on tags, focus on your viewer retention, your hook. The first 3 to 5 seconds of your video, how you're able to get your viewers stuck in the video matters more than tags. Well, I guess I'll just tag along. Number 7, you can rip out from films and TV clips with just minimal changes. I mean, just a tiny. The thing is, fair use still applies to this, because you editing a little bit of information doesn't guarantee that the video is now yours. So understanding the rules and regulation before you get into that is very vital. Number 8, they tell you shorts automatically boost long form videos. Seriously? Same location, different destination. Not everybody wants to watch your long form videos, but some people enjoy shorts. If you build your channel around short form videos and then you get monetized, you feel like, I want to take these people to my long form videos, you're going to fail woefully. It won't work. Number 9, YouTube may shadow ban your channel at any given moment. Oh boy, that's a lie. YouTube isn't doing that. The thing people normally mistake as shadow banning at times is low click-through rate. You get a low click-through rate, maybe your thumbnail isn't good enough, it's not attracting them, you're not getting the views, and you're like, no, I'm shadow banned. No, you're not. If you're confused whether you're shadow banned or not, I did a video specifically for that. Go watch it. Number 10, analytics matter from day 1. Your analytics as a YouTuber when growing can be very noisy, because today you see yourself on 1,000 views and you're all celebrating like, oh yes, I've achieved it. The next video you see yourself on just 20 views and you wonder, where did I get it wrong? Use your early stages to be creative, to work on your hooks, to work on your clarity, to work on your storytelling, to work on your content. That's what matters the most. Build yourself to make your viewers love what you do. So I was supposed to stop at 10, but I want to add some bonus for you. Bonus 1. One bad video can ruin your channel entirely. You can get a bad video and then you can bounce back from it. But when you do it consistently over and over again, that's where the problem comes. Instead of you working on your content, you keep feeding them junk and they keep living bit by bit, thereby destroying your channel. Imagine you had a fan base and you were a movie director. Everybody loves to see your movie. Then you drop a bad video. Then you drop another bad video. Then another bad video. And then everybody starts to leave one by one. Follow the 1% rule. Make each video better than the last. Bonus 2, which is the last. Always follow YouTube advices. Stop trying to imitate others and start experimenting. Get off that couch. Put the camera straight. Speak. Do what you do. Practice and see what works for you. What works for me might not work for you. So instead of going from one expert to the other, from one guru to the other, practice, implement, put it to work. Till next time, bye.